In the 6 years I've been in the public relations field, I have never encountered a period where public trust in corporations has been lower. People feel that they have been misled, particularly in the financial services sector.
Companies have appeared much less credible than they need to. And unfortunately, what has happened is a lot of stakeholders have gone to the internet to find out information, and some of that information is correct, some of that information is wrong.
It was a level of greed and the perception of greed that was out there, that was conveyed in the news and the media coverage, that's really just shattered the level of trust, I believe, that a lot of us had in these groups and organizations.
Well, I really think that the perceived failure of free market capitalism, corporate ethics, and CEO leadership have truly made people skeptical and less tolerant of nonsense. When they feel that way, they're not going to buy. And when they're not going to buy, it's going to have an impact on the bottom line.
The economic crisis has caused incredibly rapid changes in consumer lifestyles. And I think brands that want to build relationships with consumers can go a long way simply by acknowledging and responding to those changes.
Now is a time for companies to think about their own reputation, what the opportunities are that they have to tell their own story about the value they create in the relationships they have with investors, with employees, with consumers, with communities. To rebuild trust, they really need to rebuild the story of the value they bring in the context of those relationships.
If you start with one small idea and you stay focused on it and you stay true to your values and you focus on people, which to me is the most important thing of all, you can pretty much do anything with optimism and with those people.
My advice to companies looking to earn trust today is, first, don't blow it. But second, if you've got some work to do, if you've got to earn it back, do everything you can do to restore that trust. And that might involve bringing in new management. It certainly involves listening and dialoguing with your constituents and doing the things that they suggest that you do.
This provides an opportunity, as never before, for public relations professionals to engage not in spin, but in a real building of a new bridge of trust and confidence in our government and in our free enterprise system.
It's going to be that piece of earned content, that newspaper article, that blog, that broadcast piece about their financial institution that's going to have the highest credibility and resonate with them the most. That's what we do. That's what public relations does, and that's how public relations can contribute to helping solve this tremendous issue and challenge that we have in front of us.